Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle and this is Makeup for Breakup blog, and today I'm so excited to be showing you the latest from the Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Packaging from Allure's brochure, which I'm already loving. And all I keep thinking is, oh God, please don't get that stuff in your eye because it'll scratch it up. But it's really gorgeous. And her eye color, whoever that model's eye color is, it's amazing. So it says, hello, hibernation. My lifestyle these days is 50% hermit, 50% hibernating bear. And if you interrupt my slumber, I will growl. And it gives me a sneak as to what is inside my box. I'm so excited. It looks so yummy. Let me show you how it looks when I first open it. It is chock full of goodies right in there. So excited. Okay, so what's the first thing I see? I'm gonna take it out the way it shows in the brochure. And I got something from CIATE London. I'm liking this brand. They have some really good pieces, and I'm loving the shimmer. Like, what is this called? This is obviously a holiday thing. This is called the CIATE London Trend Edit Palette. Do I love coppers, deep reds, and spicy browns? Oh, heck yes. Heck yes. The price of this bad boy is $24 US. I have to see what this looks like because it got me on all those types of spicy, warm colors. Things that you would expect for the winter when you're indoors and not necessarily outside and building a snowman or just walking around feeling that cold into your body and letting you know that yes, you are very much alive. This is the packaging. Very retro, I must say. Very clean, the aesthetic I like. And it's like almost like it looks almost like a pale pink, a very, very pale pink. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, but wait, okay. I don't want to raise it up too much, but the one down here is busted. Do you see that? Yeah, I want to use that as best I can. But yeah, it's a little, but those colors are glorious. Are those colors not glorious? Yes, they are. So I will have to let them know that one of them came a little bit busted, but that's okay. Hopefully they will be able to replace that. What's the next thing I have here? That's unusual because I have never really gotten anything from Allure that was broken or anything, so that's kind of surprising. Okay, the next thing I have here is from Mud Masky. Mud Masky. Here it is. Mud Masky. And this is their Lead Me On Winter Mask. Love skincare products along with makeup and hair care. Skincare ranks right up there, tied all three at number one. Well, maybe hair care is number two, but skincare and makeup, number one. You have to have your skincare taken care of in your body first before you put on all the good stuff. So this helps. This bad boy, how much is it? $45.85. And I believe this obviously is a 40 ml, 1.35 fluid ounce. Protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, anti-aging. So I'll definitely leave this as a winter thing. Cordele? Am I pronouncing that right? I will put the pronunciation there so you can see. This is their Vino Source SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Vino Source. This has helped to counteract dry skin from the cold and the wind and the low humidity. So this stuff is a serum. All right, it has hyaluronic acid, olive squalene, and organic grape water. These are the key ingredients. It's not an exfoliant. There's no exfoliants in there, so it's gentle enough to use. It says here twice a day for one of the editors from Allure that actually did try it. The price for this full size is $49 US. Again, yay for another skincare product. Gotta love it. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, this looks like a liner of some sort. By Me My Beauty brand. That's so cute. Buy me My Beauty brand black liquid eyeliner, a sharp black eyeliner wing. Of course, has always been that, along with the eyeshadow. That will make an incredible combination. This little one from mybeautybrand.com is $22 US. Let's see how that, wow, that point is really pointy. Do you see that? Let's see how it looks now. That's the squiggle line. Ooh, that is pointy. So always when you store your liners, it's a good idea to keep them upside down. So that way the tips, especially when they're long and pointy like that, that they don't dry out. Just an extra tip there. I'll put the pronunciation for that brand out there as well. 8+ months of social distancing does strange things to your psyche, and since our skin is often a reflection of our state of mind. Oh, so this editor is talking about how her skin has been acting up during quarantine. So she brings up how she's been using this, and this has helped to soothe her skin. What is this? This is a Retinol B3 serum. What? Nice. Pure and gradual release retinol. So this gently releases over, I guess, a 12 or 24-hour period. $39 for the large size. This has to be the sample. There's no way this would be $39, but there you go. This is a small little guy right here. I'll show you what the sample size looks like. My, it's pricey. Yeah, this is the little boy here, and this is how it looks when it's full size. I'll show you the picture. See that? Nice. Very nice indeed. And a couple of things that they added, which I don't see here in the catalog, but I guess they added. This is from CETAPHIL. Great company. This is their Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Again, something to use for these winter months that they feel longer than they do, even though it's only 3 months here in New York City that we really have that deep, deep cold, but those 3 months can go on forever, January, February, and March. So I am looking forward to using this Healthy Glow Daily Cream. I like CETAPHIL, it's a good brand. I have something else in here that I'm kind of surprised about. Okay, one more thing that I see in here that I don't see listed in the catalog, which is interesting. It says, can you read that? It says Beauty Loot on there. Very interesting. It's a little sack. Has a little card in there. I feel the card. Yeah. It says it's from Allure, and it says thank you on there. Oh, we hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box, and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Oh, that's so sweet. What is this? This is the Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. And this is from Amore Pacific, or Amore Pacific. I always call it Amore, A-M-O-R-E. So I'm gonna open this here so you can see. Oh, what a cute little jar. And it has a mirror on the bottom, which is interesting. Does it open this way? The lettering's like so. Okay, so it goes like this, all right. Ooh, wrong way. But look. It's very thick. It has a scent, so if you're not into any kind of scents, this may not be for you. I have, wow, what is this? This is the Time Response Eye Reserve. Ooh, so I can put this on my eyes. It's very thick. Like they had to scoop this and just go like that because this stuff is like, it feels thicker than butter. It feels creamy. Anything that has to do with like eye cream and skincare, oh yes, give me some, give me more. So I put that under my eyes. Some people pat their eyes like this. I do a combination of patting gently and making sure it gets distributed even out here to the, so I don't develop wrinkles here around the outer corners. Oh my goodness, this feels delicious. It's an interesting packaging. So it's like an upside down hat box. And you could also use this as a mirror to apply. And that is very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. I like it. So overall, I would say Allure came through with this lovely, lovely box. I am loving this box. Allure just comes through with so many unique products, mostly on the skincare side, which I love. Occasionally they do throw in a perfume, which is also great because I get to try different perfumes. That box, I give it an A, simply because even despite, actually A- because the CIATE makeup did come broken in one of the pans, so that I have to alert Allure about. But overall, I am amazed at the skincare options and the thought process that's put into everything that they put in the box. And this was a lovely little holiday surprise to get something for the eyes. This I will definitely use because I love anything to do with skincare, and my skin looks absolutely glowy. I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you an Allure Beauty Box subscriber? If you aren't, why aren't you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are, also let me know in the comments below about what you received in your box that you absolutely love. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dora Michelle, and again, this is Makeup or Breakup vlog, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Be safe. Bye.